The 7-judge Bench Appellate Court has retreated to write its judgment on the Building Bridges Initiative case before ruling on the matter on the 20th of August 2021. This is after both the appellants and respondents made their final submissions on the fourth and final day of the hearings at the Court of Appeal. Our senior reporter Seth Olale has been on that story and now brings us the highlights of day 4.
Or politicians selfless.
Friday being the final day for interested parties in the BBI appeal case to wind up their oral testimonials, both sides flexed their muscles. The respondents were the first to take the stage.
Don't tell us Uhuru is the sovereign of this country. No, Appellant Uhuru is not sovereign of this country. He is a subject of us, the sovereigns. We're the ones paying his salary. We're the ones appointing him. We're the ones delegating our power to him. He is our employee. Maybe the most senior employee, but still our employee. And when he goes off the rails, we come here to discipline him. Therefore, when you're talking about a declaration against him, that is just to discipline him. It's a slap on the wrist. We haven't yet kicked him out of office, but at least we're disciplining him.
And when you have a president who is not obeying court orders, when you have a president who is demeaning judges before the public, this court must stand firm and say to him, no, we shall not hear you. We shall not give you orders at all. The president has not come to this court with clean hands at all. And I'm humbly urging you that you borrow a leaf from South Africa. You borrow a leaf from India and Pakistan and say to him, no, we shall not hear you.
And it is clear to me that modern dictators, especially in Africa, are using the constitution or constitutional amendments as a special purpose vehicle to claw away on civil liberties and democratic gains.
I urge you very respectfully, you throw out the appeal. It has no merit. Absolutely none. The submissions that were made before you were pedestrian submissions. Were not in good faith. Instead, my lords, I'm inviting you respectfully, you uphold the judgment of the High Court and you improve on it.
You will see the fears Kenyans had in the making of the Constitution, that the political elite would mess with the 2010 Constitution much more the way they had messed with the Independence Constitution through hyper amendments.
The appellants maintained that the High Court did not follow due process in declaring BBI unconstitutional.
You'll find that there are records of public participation or indications of public participation in nearly all the county assemblies and parliament.
That there is no constitution outside the Constitution, and there is no constitutional legitimacy outside the Constitution. Legitimacy is not in politics, it's not in society, it is not in economy, it is juridical.
We thank you for your active participation, very good preparation. You can see the volumes of papers and documents that we must plow through. We will do that and we'll give our judgment on 20th August 2021 at 9 a.m.
After an intense 4-day consecutive arguments from both the appellants and the respondents in the BBI appeal case, is now up to the 7-judge appellate court to decide on this particular matter, either by unanimous decision or by individual vote. Seth Olale, NTV at the Court of Appeal.